क्या पीना है?
चाय।
कैसी चाय पीनी है? जिंजर नहीं है हमारे पास, मसाले वाली चाय बनाते हैं।
सबसे पहले गैस ऑन करा, पानी डाला। हमारे पास जिंजर नहीं है, सो हम डालेंगे लौंग,
हम डालेंगे थोड़ा सा इलायची पाउडर, थोड़ा सा और इलायची पाउडर। उसके बाद थोड़ा सा कम करेंगे, फिर हम डालेंगे पेपर पाउडर, जिस अगेन थोड़ा सा, बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं, टू 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 टू। फिर हम डालेंगे सिनेमन पाउडर, थोड़ा सा, टू 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 टू। फिर हम डालेंगे थोड़ा सा जिंजर पाउडर, टू 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 टू। डाल दिया। अब हम इसको 2 मिनट के लिए बॉईल होने देंगे। नाइस, स्मेल्स गुड। बॉईल हो रहा है, साथ में हम डालेंगे 1 टेबल स्पून एंड लाइक हाफ टेबल स्पून ऑफ टी लीफ। थोड़ा सा स्ट्रॉन्ग चलेगा, so we let it boil nicely. Let it boil nicely. Smells good.
Yeah, so once this mother effing shit boils up in like 2 to 3 minutes, we are gonna add some milk. When I say some milk, I mean 3/4 cup, and the water was full cup. Now, like every mummy, so this is the milk, we don't want to waste it, so I'll put a little bit water in it and like just give a shh, and then I'll put it back here. 1 second. Here is the little bit water, since we don't want to waste the milk, the 2-3 drops of milk. That's why my mother taught me. Here it is. And then we're gonna give a good nice boil. So yeah.
This is coming to a boil, so I'll just she. That was not stupid, come on. बढ़िया सी चाय उबल रही है इधर, और थोड़े ही देर में चाय
बढ़िया सी चाय उबल रही है इधर, और थोड़े ही देर में चाय बिकेगी। चाय ले लो, चाय ले लो, चाय ले लो, चाय चाय चाय।
Yeah, so we're not gonna add any what we are not going to add here. Abhishek, I'm asking you. This is almost done. We are not going to add any sugar. We just add jaggery powder for Mr. Abhishek. No sugar for me. None at all. So I'll just switch it off now. I think it's done. We gave like nice 2-3 boils. This is done. It smells mild.
You remember that Irani chai we had in Koramangala? You remember? It smells just like that. Although it's not Irani chai, but it smells just like that. I loved Irani chai back then.
बाय द वे HSR में था, कोरमंगला नहीं।
ये कोरमंगला नहीं था?
HSR था।
I don't know. The ships are quite close, so I get confused. Stop it. So here comes chai. This is for me with no sugar in it. So Abhishek used to have jaggery, but he now put You think you can trust someone? You can't. You cannot trust anyone. This guy, I sort of made him, take jaggery. But this deceiving person is gonna take sugar now. So, कितना sugar चाहिए आपको? 2 चाहिए. So 2 teaspoons sugar for you. Just quick mix like this. By the way, this has such a spicy but oh my god, how fragrance. Even the chai we used to have here, na, ये वाला market में, जो चक्की चलती रहती है, remember? 10 रुपए की 15 रुपए की मिलती है, 8 रुपए की. The corona thing has killed my tea desire. I don't like to make tea, frankly. Like whenever I want to have tea, I just go outside and have some. This stupid corona thing, I hate that Chinese person.
Now it's here. We came outside and it's raining outside. Bean bags. No chataiya. So
Is what the weather looks like. This is